Hey, welcome back to my channel. Automotive EVAP Smoke Machine Diagnostic Vacuum Leak. M3 Automotive Diagnostic Smoke Leak Detector Smoke Adjustment. Yes type, Smoke Leak Detector Mode, Air Mode and Smoke Mode. Power Supply, 12V Vehicle Battery Current, ADA Leak Status Indication, Pressure Gauge and Flow Meter Output Pressure, 1.2 bar, 17 psi Max Flow Rate, 7 LDM Power Cord, Detachable and Approximate 2.5 M Smoke Hose. Detachable and approximate 2.5 M inbuilt air compressor. Yes vehicle type, ATV, heavy duty commercial, motorcycle, passenger vehicle. Working cycle, automatic stop in 5 minutes. Supported system, turbocharging system, transmission, crankcase, ABS, DPF, IPB, ASIS, SRS, TPMS, pipeline, intercooler, oil seal, throttle, intake manifold gasket, exhaust pipe, all types of connectors, fuel pipe, car window sealing, etc. Built-in air pump? No air compressor needed. Just connect Sterite to your vehicle's 12V battery and generate smoke in seconds. Approved smoke fluid? Included. 2 modes. Air mode to verify leaks even before introducing smoke. Smoke mode to introduce smoke into vehicle system for leak detection. 2 gauges. Pressure gauge to monitor total system pressure. Flow gauge to monitor leak size. Adjustable flow? With a precise knob for when you want slower, thicker smoke. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.